If you hold XRP, just stick around and watch this whole fucking video, okay? So a couple ways you can look at this. This is the daily chart. We've just been kind of ranging, and really this would be considered accumulation because we had a mark down. Now we are accumulating. I believe that we are about to go up. And don't worry, I'm about to show you why I think we're going to go back up. But first, there's a couple ways you can look at this. We've been really ranging sideways. However, you could really look at this as another channel. Here, there. And although descending, it's not descending at the same rate that we've been descending, this larger channel here. That alone kind of signals a slow in momentum. And also, when the pattern is getting tighter and tighter, that kind of symbolizes consolidation, a squeezing of the price, if you will. That's neither here nor there, because it looks like in the short term, we're about to turn over, possibly retest this level of support. However, here's the important thing. When in doubt, you zoom out. This is now the weekly chart where every candle represents 1 week. Now, I want to pull your attention away from the actual price action down to this MACD indicator, because especially when you zoom out on the weekly, these dots that it prints gives you a really good indication of where we're going in the short term. And these moves are usually not too short played. Printed a green dot here, had a massive move up. We started this previous bull market, that big parabolic move that we had back in the end of 2024, with zero momentum. MACD was floating right around this midline. Well, now we just printed another green dot. We got momentum wave going up to the upside. This wave looking thing is considered the histogram, but I just like to call it a momentum wave. That is just now rolling back to the upside. We're getting this crossover, and we've printed a green dot on the weekly. So this doesn't mean that we go parabolic. It just means that we've likely hit a bottom here. It likely means this is our support. Same thing on Bitcoin. We've actually crossed out of this descending channel that we've been in. We broke above our line of resistance. We broke above a major line of resistance here, which was this previous high. We fell below it, crossed back over, and it looks like we've turned it into support. Now, all this mumbo jumbo right here is just me taking what happened in history and seeing if it repeats. So I drew out this box, which is a 70-day length of period, period of time, because historically after blood moons, we usually bottom out and we have 70 days before our price action crosses over this 200, 300 EMA.